Hello, and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to share what you are watching on Netflix to your Instagram story. So to do this, you just need to go to Netflix, open your Netflix account, and after that go to any TV show or movie that you want to share on Instagram. Scroll down a little bit, after that click on share, and when you click on share, as you can see, there is an option called Instagram stories. You just need to click on it. After that, open your Instagram and it will directly make the poster of that movie or that TV show to your Instagram story and you can publish it. I wish that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.